Step back in time and experience the charm of this 1939 Chevrolet Deluxe. This beauty, painted in a rich dark green exterior, features a tan cloth interior that's in excellent condition. With a V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, this classic runs like a dream, delivering the true driving experience. It's been updated to a 12-volt system, and recent work includes new brakes, wheel cylinders, and brake lines. The engine was replaced, and the odometer shows just over 90,000 miles. The car is in very good exterior condition, with no rust, a perfect candidate for cruising or further restoration. This is an outstanding opportunity to own a piece of automotive history at an affordable price. Don't miss out on this classic. Visit the link in the description for more information and photos. Whether you're a collector or a classic car enthusiast, this is a rare gem that will make an unforgettable addition to your garage.